Infinity Craft. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make the TV in your Infinity Craft. So to make the TV in your Infinity Craft, you have to first open up your Google Chrome or any browser. Then you have to log into your Infinity Craft here. Once you have opened up your Infinity Craft, so here you have to first of all add the auth here. So here you have to first of all add auth. Once you have added the auth here, then you have to add the auth with so which will make dust here. So here you can see that. And again you have to add the auth on the dust which will make the planet. And you have to add the fire in that so you have to add the fire in that planet to make the sun. And again you have to add the fire on that which will make the solar. After that, here you can see the planet, and you have to merge the solar and planet, which will create the system here. So here you can see that. And you have to merge the system with fire, which will make the computer. After that, here you have to go for the dust and put your dust here. And again, you have to go for your dust and merge the dust with dust, which will make the sand. So go for your fire and merge with sand, and which will make the glass. After that, so here you can see the glass. You have to mouse this with your computer. So which will make the screen. After that, you have to go and mouse your screen with the screen. Then you can get the TV. So with the help of this process, you can make a TV in your Infinity Craft. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.